Hey everyone, and welcome to your practice today. This is going to be a quick morning stretch that you can do when you only have a little bit of time, but you want to feel your best for the day. So we're going to jump right in. Come into any comfortable seated posture. Hands on the knees, relax the shoulders, take a deep breath in, and exhale it all out. Let the arms, inhale, reach up. Join the palms, look up, and exhale, palms to the heart center. Inhale, big deep breath in, reach up through the fingertips. Find length in the side body. And exhale, slowly release. A little bit of pressure between the two hands, gently, firmly pressing towards each other. Empty the breath. Inhale deeply. Lift the chest, stretch the side body, reach up through the fingertips. And exhale, slow, controlled breath out. Press the palms towards each other, empty the breath. And open the eyes if you had them closed. We're going to take the right ear over to the right shoulder, center, and to the left side. Relax both shoulders down. Over to the right, and over to the left. To center, we're going to lift up, and down, and up, and down. Relax the shoulders, and up, and down. And now we look chin over the shoulder, right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and to the left. Come back to center. Inhale, we lift the chest, rock forward, shoulders back. Exhale, curl the spine, chin to the chest, lean back, stretch, stretch, stretch. Notice how your body feels. Inhaling and exhaling. Any tightness, any soreness from your neck. Be gentle, be easy, go slow. Breathe into the spaces where you feel that sensation, that tightness. Don't force it, it's only gonna make it worse. Try and relax. Use the breath. Breathe in, create expansion. Exhale, release, let all the tension go. And come back to center. Change the cross of the legs now. We're going to take the right hand out to the side. Inhale the left arm up. Reach, reach, reach. You're bringing the right elbow down and forward, and the left arm reaches to the side and opens up to the back. Left fingertips down. We're going to reach up. So left elbow forward and to the right. Reach as far as you can. Keep the hip grounding to the floor. You don't have to go so deep. You just want to help open, wake up the body. Get the spine moving in all the directions. Once more on each side. Reach a little bit further. And to center. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, we take a twist. Left hand on the right knee, right hand behind. Sit up tall. Feels good. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reach up. Lengthen the spine and then open and twist. To center. Sit tall. Exhale, twist. Shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, be gentle with yourself first thing in the morning. Notice how the body feels. Inhale to center and exhale. Inhale to center. Exhale, palms to heart center. We'll move now. On all fours, we'll take a few cat-cows. We'll do 5. So inhale. just like how we did it seated. Exhale, curl and round. Inhale, exhale. Follow your own breath. Last one. Tuck the toes behind you. We're coming to downward facing dog. You can start with bent knees. In the morning, the backs of the legs are especially tight. So take a few moments just to kind of open them. Think about lifting the hips up, pressing firmly into your hands, creating length in the spine. We're gonna shift forward, bring the hips down, lift the chest up, open up. Tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Come forward, drop the hips, lift the chest, stretch, and tuck the toes. Down dog. Shift forward, up dog. And tuck the toes. Down dog. Shift forward. Last one here. Stretch. Lift the chest, lift the chest. Take it back. Hips to the heels, lower the head. Press yourself up. And that was our quick jump start to the day. Some morning stretches to get your body ready for the day.